the witnessing awareness, the maximum awareness when you do this physical activity like weightlifting or hatha yoga or pranayama, any physical activity. Because whatever idea you retain in your inner space becomes part of you during the physical activity. It becomes your biomemory. In Kirtanam, you are already remembering him, singing and dancing. So he becomes your biomemory. He becomes your biomemory. When I say he, I mean God or consciousness or pure awareness, anything you can use. Guru, whatever. Whatever you feel as higher than you, highest. That's what I mean by the word he. Kirtanam, dancing your way to the divine, to the divinity. Can be a very powerful technique. It just makes you a light being. Ramakrishna again and again says, he had some of the educated disciples. When there is a kirtanam, singing and dancing, they will not dance because of the prestige and the social thing. He will tease them. He will tease them. Kirtanam makes you a light being. I tell you, carry a light being. Nothing can touch you. Nothing can touch you. Just a light being. Always carry a light being. Understand, I am defining character. Character means carrying a light being. That's all. Nothing else is character. Understand, nothing else is character. Each fellow who wants to exploit you gives his own idea about character. I am telling you, all ideas about character is lies. Carrying a light being is character. Character can never be defined by whether you smoke or drink or womanize or use alcohol. All those things are habits. Habit is different, character is different. Understand? Habit is different. Here I am not talking about habit. I am not saying drinking, smoking and all is right. Please understand. No. I am not encouraging drinking, smoking, womanizing. No. I am not encouraging. I am not saying all those things are right or wrong. No. I am only saying they have nothing to do with your character. They are habits. Character means carrying a light being. Very light being, simple being. The moment I say this, I can remember only one person, my father. Today is his Mahasamadhi day. As we all know that we celebrate in our Sangha today as Mahaparinirvana day, the day of liberating all the disciples who left the body after taking initiation and after attending NSP. So today we remember and liberate and celebrate all the disciples who left the body after attending NSP, after having that Nirvikalpa initiation, Nirvikalpa Samadhi Diksha. He is such a light being. Liberating him was not a big job at all for me. In his whole inner space, nothing was there inside. There is no obstacle. There was nothing holding. I tell you, at least half an hour a day, you can make time. Or at least 3-4 times a week. I don't want you to make it as a rigid routine. Then again it will become a routine. No. Whenever you find time, just sing and dance wildly. Your whole being will become such a light being. Carry light being. You will not be a soil where the negativity breeds. Brooding mind is breeding soil for negativity. Kirtanam will destroy brooding over. I have seen. Only reason for the disciples falling from the path is, if this happens, what will happen? If that happens, what will happen? If that happens, what will happen? If that happens, what will happen?